Hello everyone! If I am staying here at the airport, it means only one thing. There is a new trip coming to my channel. From my previous videos you already knew that I love warm countries. But this time I'm coming...
Norway!
Honestly, I have no idea how I'm going to survive those 5 whole days in Norway, but my support team say that it's gonna be awesome. In this video I will show you everything you shouldn't miss in Oslo, if you love art, architecture and a little bit of inspiration. We will start at the Munch Museum, the home of the world-famous screen painting. Then we will move on to the National Museum, explore the stunning Oslo Opera House and finally visit the RoyalPalace to watch the changing of the guards. And hey, if you like me, someone who loves both art and nature, don't forget to subscribe, because in the next episode I will show you a completely different side of Oslo. Now it's time to boarding, so let's go! We flew to Oslo from Warsaw and we bought our tickets about 4 months in advance. The price was €52. The flight takes around 2 hours and we landed at Torp Airport. That is the secondary airport of Oslo, located about 120 kilometers from the city. So now let's figure out how to get to our apartment. Let's go! Now we are going to Oslo by bus. We paid 750 kron for 3 adults. We have just arrived in Oslo and now we are walking to our Airbnb. But while we are on the way, let me share my first impression of Oslo. The city welcomed us with rain. Very typical for Norway, right? But it already feels so calm, so organized and so clean. Everything looks neat, people seem friendly, and the rate of the life is definitely slower than in Warsaw. Alright, we are almost at our place. Let's check in. We just entered to our Airbnb and honestly, it's so cozy. Let's check it out. And the best part here is bedroom. Let's see. It has a big bed and very nice window. Let's open it. When I was a child, I was dreaming to have a room with that amazing view. So you can watch the stars. But honestly, I can't see anything right now. The bathroom, let's go. We have the underfloor heating. Oh my god, it's so warm here. Fresh towels. And even hair dryer. Yes, girls, we do have it here. The kitchen is small but really nice. We have here the fridge, the coffee machine, the oven, so everything what you need to cook here if you want. So probably it's the owner. Hi! We do have here penthouse apartment with the balcony. Let's see. I don't know how to open it. Okay, we made it. Let's go. Next time. The most interesting part, how much does it cost? We paid €663 for 5 nights for 3 people. The location is great too, close to the center, everything easy to reach by tram or on foot. I will leave the link below, in case you are planning trip to Oslo. Totally recommend this place. We decided to go to a little restaurant near our apartment to try some real Norwegian food. The place is called Restaurant Shredder. It's actually quite popular among locals. We ordered 2 main dishes and drinks, and total was 705 crowns. The atmosphere was really cozy, the food was delicious, and the portions were huge. Definitely worth visiting if you are in Oslo. Alright everyone, next stop, the Munch Museum. We bought our tickets, the standard price is 220 crowns, and if you are under 25, it's only 100 crowns. As soon as you scan your ticket and step inside, be ready, this place is big. The new building occupies 13 floors and 26,000 square meters, with about 11 exhibition spaces, one of the largest single artist museum in the world. I would recommend setting aside at least 4 to 5 hours here, so you can take your time and enjoy the atmosphere. Now about the artist. Edvard Munch was one of the modernism's most important painters. His work explored emotional and physical states, and his most famous painting, The Scream, is here. There are several versions of The Scream in the collection, a black and white sketch, a pastel version, and the iconic color one. Walking through the halls, you feel the evolution in his style, from early works to expressionist breakthrough to more mature experiments. It's clear that Munch kept pushing himself, kept changing, kept evolving. I personally love that. And this was one of my favorite parts of the museum, the interactive art table. Here you can grab a sheet of paper and literally imprint part of Munch's artwork yourself. It's such a fun and creative experience. For travelers like us, this museum is definitely worth it. It's not just about painting on the wall, you walk through themes, feelings, history, and you will live with the deep inspiration. Let's move on to another must-visit in Oslo, the National Museum. This place isn't just big, it's huge. With 3 exhibition floors and over 90 rooms, you are looking at one of the largest museums of art, architecture and design in the Nordic region. Tickets here cost 200 crowns, and if you are under 25, it's gonna be 120. Totally worth it, because you are about to explore more than 6,000 works of art. I forgot to mention it before, but every museum in Oslo has audio guides and QR codes. You can scan, listen and dive deeper in the stories behind each piece. Just remember to bring your own headphones and the charged phone. The first floor is all about ancient art, from Egyptian figures to Greek and Roman sculptures. Some are originals, others are incredibly detailed casts made for education and presentation. Then we move on to a handcrafted woodwork, furniture, carved panels and design pieces that show Norway's rich craft traditions. Everything here tells a story of how art and daily life have always been connected. Next, we walk into what I call the Red Room, full of textures, tapestries, and antique chests. It feels like stepping into a different century. Here is one of my favorite parts: Chinese porcelain. The details, colors, and shapes are absolutely stunning. You can really see how global trade once brought beauty from across the world right here to Norway. And yes, this is the original Christian Dior dress, along with gowns by many other famous designers. They also have some really fun interactive corners like this one. I couldn't resist stepping into this retro phone book. And while I am here, don't forget to subscribe, because I am showing you all the hidden gems of Oslo, from museums to hikes and everything in between. Back to design, this floor showcases the evolution of furniture through the decades. It's fascinating to see how styles, materials and technologies have changed. After a few hours, we decided to take a little break at the cafe between the first and the second floors. For what you see on screen, we paid 354 kronas, and it was a cozy little pause before exploring more. Then we enter the painting section, from landscapes and sea views to portraits. Some of Norway's most iconic artworks are here. The last floor feels almost futuristic. Installation, lights and modern art blending seamlessly with architecture. It's such a smart balance between tradition and innovation. The National Museum really left an impression on me. It's peaceful, beautifully designed, and full of stories from all around the world. If you visit Oslo, make sure this place is on your list. You will definitely leave inspired. Alright, time for a little sweet break. Let me show you one traditional Norwegian dessert that you definitely should try. We just stopped by a cozy cafe here. It's called Kuro Oslo, and for all of that we paid 236 kron. Here we have a hot chocolate, a pumpkin spice latte, and this one, it's called Skolebrød. It is traditional Nordic sweet bun with crusted and coconut. Now we are going to try it. It was cozy, local, and so delicious. Totally recommended. Hey, and if you know other great cafes or restaurants worth visiting in Oslo, drop them in the comments. Next stop, the Oslo Opera House. Come with me. From the distance, you can already see this modern glass building shining bright on the water. It almost looks like it's growing out of the sea. Inside, everything feels light, minimalistic, and beautifully Scandinavian. Clean lines, calm colors, lot of space. But if you ever get the chance to go inside the opera house, it's not just a landmark, it's an active stage for opera, ballet and concerts. Tickets usually start at around 250 to 700 crowns, depending on the performance and seat. But the coolest part, you can actually walk on the roof. So we climbed up and just look at this view. You can see the entire Oslo skyline and the fjords right in front of you. It's peaceful, windy and full of seagulls, lots of seagulls. And right down there you can spot one of the Oslo's favorite local traditions, floating saunas. People literally jump straight into the cold fjord right after a sauna session. Would you dare to try that? And now our final stop, the RoyalPalace, right in the heart of Oslo. It's surrounded by a beautiful park where locals come to relax and enjoy the view. Completed in 1849, the place has around 173 rooms and still serves as the official residence of the Norwegian king. In summer, you can join guided tours. Ticket cost about 230 kronas for adults and 110 for students or kids. We didn't get to go inside this time, it was closed, but what we did catch was the daily changing of the guards at 1:30. Free to watch right on the square. Next time I am back in Oslo, I am definitely planning to join the full tour to see it all inside. Because from what I saw today, this place is more than just a palace. It's a living part of Norwegian history. That's all for this video, but it's definitely not all that Oslo has to offer. If you found this guide helpful or learned something new, give it a like and subscribe to my channel Maria with 2i. Are you ready for the next episode? As part 2 is all about nature, hiking and the wild side of Oslo. Stay tuned. Bye!